Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Pepperstone account. So in order to do it, first of all you need to come inside your Pepperstone account. So basically you need to log in into that particular Pepperstone account of yours which you want to delete. Now when you are inside, what you need to do is you need to simply click on the option of contact us in the left hand side. Over here you will be shown the phone number as well as this email address, which is support@pepperstone.com. So you need to simply mail on this particular email address to the Pepperstone customer support team that you want to delete your account. As you can see over here in this particular help and support section, once you have closed all of your open positions, you have withdrawn and the transfer funds, you can then email us at on this particular email address, or you can also message us on the live chat and provide some of the details relating to your account that you would like to close, and then the Pepperstone customer support team is going to help you deleting that particular account permanently. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.